In this part, we'll cover 3 topics. 1. Adding project to GitHub. 2. Using theme for application, and 3. Using custom font for application. Let's create new repository on GitHub. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it com.niraj Prajapti. I'm keeping this repository private. You can add description for repository. I'm leaving it blank for now. So let's create repository. You can see the Git origin URL and commands here. So in Android Studio, we'll open terminal. Now we'll initialize Git for this project using git init command. You can see all files turned red as they're not added to Git yet. You can also see some hints provided by Git. Now we'll add all files to Git using git add command. You can see all files turned green as they added to Git. In Android Studio, out branch name is master. So we'll make it main, using git branch-m main command. You can see here, our branch name is now main. Now we'll add remote origin URL using git remote add origin command. Remote origin is now added. Now we can commit our changes and push them on GitHub. In the commit window, you can review your changes and write commit message. Our changes are pushed to GitHub successfully. You can reload the GitHub repository to check if all changes are there. Now for application theme, we'll be generating theme from Material Theme Builder. You can check the link in description. From Android 12 onwards, it supports dynamic colors for themes. We'll export app theme from custom tab. We can customize primary, secondary, tertiary, and neutral colors. You can preview your changes in light and dark mode. After your changes, you can export theme file for any of your required format. There's option for Compose, XML, Flutter, CSS and material tokens. Here's the exported content for Compose. It also contains README file if you are not aware of how to use exported theme in your project. So let's copy these files in our project. The generated theme removed support for dynamic colors. So we'll add that changes from our older code. Let's run the application to see how it looks on device. For this app, we'll not use dynamic colors, so I'll remove code for using dynamic colors. So we're done with changes for setting theme for application. Let's commit changes to GitHub. Now coming to the third part, let's continue for custom font for application. For custom fonts, we'll need to add typography in out theme. You can find free fonts from Google Fonts, download any font you like and then use it in your application. Let's create a font directory in res, and copy downloaded font in it. We need to modify type.kt file for whatever changes we needed. Add variable for custom font family and add your fonts here. We need to set font family value for all required attributes. So to simplify it, we'll create extension function. It sets all default values and set custom font family passed in function. We'll use this extension function and we're done. Let's commit changes to GitHub. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on social media for latest updates. See you in next part.